Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a extreme clean organized kids room video where I will be cleaning my son's room because it's well overdue. He has way too many small things that need to go in the trash and things that he just does not play with. So let's begin decluttering this messy room. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. I don't know if anybody's like me, but I like to have a bag or a trash bag or like a can or something to have to put the trash in. And then I like to be able to take it and make trips to the trash can with it. So these are a bunch of small toys where it's like small pieces to the Legos that he did not put back or small pieces that have been broken from stuff. So I emptied the toy container and this is everything that's in there, and I just want to clean out unnecessary things that do not belong back in the toy bin. I have no idea how many trips I had to take to the trash can after cleaning up stuff out of the toy container that does not belong in there. But it was very satisfying to get rid of trash and old things that he was not playing with, not using, and things that just had no business being in there. Starting over fresh, I'm going to go ahead and just put the actual toys into the bin that are going to be staying. If they're not, like I said, they're going into the trash, and make it look 10 times better. And here I am, still sitting here trying to clean up all of the turtles, Legos, wrestling people, crayons, colored pencils, markers, you name it, Beyblades, period. So I'm just going to continue to try to get up the small pieces that belong in the trash or that just have no use in trying to be put back together because they might be broke or, like I said, they're just trash. Somebody comment down below if their sons love to just throw things underneath of the bed like mine does. Instead of picking the trash up and putting it away, he tends to just let things fall underneath the bed or behind the bed that I have to basically pick up. So just going through a couple of things and underneath the bed to see what belongs in trash and what does not belong underneath of that bed. I would say I felt like I was getting somewhere, but I still feel like I am behind in getting this toy container filled back up with the toys that do belong and the toys that don't belong to put them in the trash. Okay, I'm so glad to say that I finally feel like I have it down packed. All of the wrestling rings go under the bed. Toy wrestling people belong in this container right here that I'm putting toys in. And then Ninja Turtles and other necessities belong in the bigger blue tub that has toys. For some reason, his room stays very dusty or gets dusty more often than anyone else's room, and it collects a lot of dirt more. So just a good old sweep, and then, like I said, cleaning off the bed is all that's left. My son is the type to pull toys out like this Wheel of Fortune game and then leave the cards laying around everywhere. And he's also known for not putting the wrestling rings back underneath the bed like they belong, or the Beyblade rings. So here I am to the rescue. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you can get more cleaning motivation videos soon and more.